In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on African Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser, and now in the address bar simply type in africanbank.co.za and press enter. You will then be taken into the official website of African Bank. Click on the login button at the top right corner, and now you will be taken into the login portal. Now, in case you have forgotten your details, you will find the reset button for your forgotten login details right underneath the login button. Just click on it to select which one of your credentials you need to reset. Just select password and then click on the continue button, and you will now be asked to enter your username and your PIN. You can simply type in your username and your PIN number and then click on the continue button, and once your identity is verified, you will be allowed to set up a new password for your account. After setting up a new password, you can use your new password along with your username and your PIN to log into your account on African Bank. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your password on African Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.